what is the right way to do things? Say, what's the right way to change India? That's when it hit me that we need to reach out to a large number of young people who are motivated in the right way. They want to change the country, but they just don't know how. So to give direction to these people, get them the right set of ideas, connect them to the right set of networks, and equip them with the kind of resources that they need to change the country. So that's when we made that change to go into public policy education in a big way. So today we reach out to people literally wherever they are on the planet. They can take an online course in public policy, which is rigorous, one semester equivalent of a course, and it really equips them with practical knowledge to engage in public policy. I think the first and the most important thing when anyone wants to do anything meaningful is to be economically self-sufficient. So to be able to look after yourself, maybe create jobs, become a startup entrepreneur, create jobs for oneself and a lot of others. The best way to do social welfare is through entrepreneurship. If you create a business, you create livelihoods for lots of people, for your employees, for your suppliers, for your customers. And that is the way I think we can really achieve social welfare. Engaging in public life through engaging in the electoral process, supporting political parties, compelling politicians to do a better job. That's a secondary thing. And when these two things are done, I think the third thing is to go into social work, trying to engage in direct action to solve society's deepest problems. But I think you have to start with entrepreneurship, second, go into political action, and third, go into social work.